In recent decades, researchers from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, have recorded several inexplicable sounds emanating from the depths of the Pacific. These include phenomena known as the bloop, the upsweep, and the slowdown. The bloop, an ultra-low-frequency sound detected in 1997, was initially thought to come from an unknown marine creature, but was later suggested to be an ice quake. Similarly, the upsweep, a series of narrow-band sounds detected in 1991, has been heard each spring and fall, but remains a mystery. The NOAA uses underwater microphones called hydrophones to capture these sounds, but they cannot always determine their origin. These auditory anomalies contribute to the Pacific's mystery and have fueled countless theories about what might lurk in its depths, with the potential for more strange sounds to be discovered as listening technology advances.